Isn't this great, human? We're off on a grand adventure together. I can't believe it. I made a friend who likes me for me, even though our date wasn't that great. My style and charm have won over a human who enjoys good spaghetti. I think this must be fate. When I tell Undyne, wait, I probably shouldn't do that. She'll be mad, she might have, and then throw a cow. I'm sorry, human. That was my phone ringing. Uh-oh, that would be her calling right now. I've gotta take this. I'm so sorry. I'll be right back. Probably.
Hiya, buddy. You ditch your parents too? Oh man, I don't blame ya. They say Undyne's in the area, and it would be so cool to meet up with her. I mean, she's just like the most awesome royal guard person ever! And I want to be like her one day, and my parents are such jerks for saying I can't leave the house. Oh, sorry, I didn't introduce myself. I'm Monster Kid. I'm a monster and a kid. What's your name? Oh, shh, that's her! That's her right over there!
He usually picks up on the first or second ring. What's going on with him?
Hi, Undyne. Sorry I'm late. I had, errands to run. Yes, Anyway, regarding that human I called you about earlier...
Did you fight them?
Well, yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly.
Did you capture them?
Well... no.
What?
I tried very hard, Undyne. You have to believe me. It's just, you know, things come up, things change. You know how it is, don't you?
If you want something done right, you do it on your own.
Or, you know, with the help of the Royal Guard in training.
I'll rip out their soul myself and break their little bones.
I can't help but feel that that was a personal attack. And you don't need to destroy them. You see, I've been thinking about it, and, well, I have something to say.
With their soul, we can go home. This battle will have won.
I understand. It's just...
We shall breach the surface world, destroy the human scum. And if you have a problem with that, maybe the Royal Guard isn't for you.
I'll help Undyne any way I can.
Good. Knew I could count on you. Up to it. Can you hear me, human? It's hunting season, and I do not lose my catch.
Oh, wow, this is so cool! I've never had a friend like you before. Come on! Through the water, two best friends go in. Through the thick and thin, we'll go arm in, not arm. You can hold things and I can give a boost. It'll be great. We'll get to Undyne in no time. Just the two of us. says they have an unhealthy obsession and project a lot. What do you think? Do you think she's cool? Or should I just...
Stop right there, human!
Human? Where?
7 human souls. And with yours, we can... Hey! Get back here! Quit running and face your death like a man! Woman! Child?
Hey, quit messing with my friend!
They're a human! You can't be friends!
Wait, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, well watch and see what happens to humans who...
It doesn't look like you're running very far.
Get out of there, you little brat! Come on and face me like a man-woman child! Ugh. If it weren't for that grass, I'd kick your... If it weren't for that Groody, I'd kick your booty! Don't ask me what a Groody is!
Gee, Undyne sure was mad, huh? Listen, she says we can't be friends, so I think I have to say something mean. You're ugly, and you stink! Ha! There! It's official! We're not friends! So, as not friends, you wanna hang out some more? Before my parents get mad and call me home and stuff? Like here. You see all these? They're echo flowers. I hear you be real quiet around them. You can hear him repeat a song for you. So be quiet! Be quiet! Let's listen.
Deep down whispers, we can hear them all. Your inner voice, what will it tell us? The deepest abyss of your soul, it can't hide. Conflict, turmoil, unfaltering kindness, apprehension, determination, all those feelings mixed up and a array of thoughts. Will you find your soul? True mercy, you have to make that choice. Will you save all friends, escape, then show them the world above? Will you set him free, mercilessly write your wish in the dust? Two sides are playing a tough game, and when it's done, no more. Which will win?
Huh. I wonder what that means. Oh! And if you poke them, they repeat phrases instead. See? Watch. Behind you. I wonder what that means.
Surprise!
Oh, that's what that means. Hi, Undyne!
Nowhere to run this time. Oh, come on!
I guess you gotta go now. Bye! I'm waving at you!
I have had just about enough of this running and hiding bull Huey! I didn't realize that I was hunting for garbage!
Wow, Undyne! You just sent them flying off! And the bridge they were on, and part of the cliff on that.
I know, kid.
Wow! Hey! You okay down there? Seeing you run from Undyne was pretty cool!
You and I are gonna have a serious talk, kid.
Bye! Don't die while I'm away!
Not fair to be alone. after what you've been through. So let me be your best friend. Please let me stay with you. I'll keep trying to reach out. I'm never leaving you. Determination fuels me. I want to be with you. I will show my love always, because it's clear to me. Together we'll do anything. Our life isn't easy. I will stay here by your side. I know it's frightening to think that you might now leave, but that, my friend, is what I'll be in your life always. Hold you tight and close, we will be together here until it's safe to go. I will show my love always, because it's clear to me. Together we'll do anything. Our life isn't easy.
Looks like I went and screwed up everything once again. Sorry, friend. Why am I here? I can just barely sing. Even so, I should go. Thanks for coming to my pathetic house. It's okay. Anyway, you should get going soon. Don't waste your time on a pathetic ghost whose tears are crying.
I knew you'd come here, human. They all did, and they all fell. With the seventh human soul, our world will be transformed. Now you stand facing me in the eye of the storm. But first, human, let me tell you the tragic tale of our people. It all started long ago. No, you know what? Screw it! Why should I tell you that story when you're about to die? There comes a time when a hero must make a choice. Fighting with honor, make all rivals fear my voice. Tonight this battle will make all the monsters say, Undyne has saved us all, Undyne brought back the day. Real heroes never fear, real heroes laugh at death. Every soldier soldier must fight until their final breath. I dedicate my life to upholding what's right, serving my land and king, bring victory tonight. I forged my destiny from my blood and my sweat. There's one who can beat me, I haven't met him yet. You'll never win, little child, this is my destiny. You will sing of my name in the pages of history.
Fight on,
Raise my spear to the sky. Loyal soldier, keep marching on. We shout with one voice. We will carry on. You stand in the way of all our hopes and dreams. If human history has taught me anything, it's that humans will fight. It's that humans are tough. But from what I have seen, you're made of softer stuff.
Fight on,
Stand until the end. Because someone has to die. Much as you pretend. Blood stains will dry. The very fact you exist is a crime, but you're not going to escape. No, not this time. If your life stands between us and seeing the sky, then tough luck for you, human. Tonight you're gonna die. I feel everyone's hearts as they're pounding and sink, pushing determination to the very brink. With our hearts and our souls, we all know we can't fail. So come on, little human, let's end this sorry tale. I feel everyone's hearts as they're pounding and sink, pushing determination to the very brink. With our hearts and our souls, we all know we can't fail. So come on, little human, let's end this sorry tale. Is that all you've got? I'm nothing to fear. You are a disease. I'm justice's spear. You cannot fool me. You're sick in the head. We'd all be happy if you were dead. Till your dying breath. For the ones who've gone. For our noble cause. We will carry on. We will find a home. We'll escape the wild. We will see the dawn. Farewell, human child. Real heroes never fear. Real heroes laugh at death. Every soldier must fight until their final breath. I dedicate my life to upholding what's right, serving my land and king, bring victory tonight. I know in my heart there's no path but to fight. I know in my heart I am doing what's right. It'll be different this time, we will win this war. The humans will know fury like never before. Raise my spear to the sky. Loyal soldier, keep marching on. We shout with one voice. We will carry on. Your six came before you, 6 humans who tried to get past the royal guard. Every one of them died. I will never accept your mercy, never be spared. Killing you is my mercy, so stop being scared. Stand until the end. Because someone has to die. Much as you pretend. Blood stains will dry.
We will fight that you're doing what's right. Come on and die, you must finish the fight. Your heart undone should be telling you what's right. You can't let the human live, you must finish the fight.
Come on, undyne, stop the bloodshed tonight. What good is a hero if they will not fight? Follow your heart and you will do what's right. You can run away this time, let's finish the fight. Stop running, human, now come back and fight. I will rip out your soul and I'll bring back the light. You can't give me mercy, can't handle my might. But you flee to the heat, you will not leave my sight. Till your dying breath, for the ones who've gone. For our noble cause, we will carry on. We will find a home, we'll escape the wild. We will see the dawn. Farewell, human child. Get back here, you punk! Don't you disappear! This is the last time. Hey, get back here! I'm in all this heat. I'm just feeling beat. I need a drink. Can't stay on my feet.
Don't give up the fight.
We've come so far, all alone. You still want home? Well, I know that feel, but let's be real. See what you have. Good food, good drinks, good friends, bad laughs. So I know you're driven, but look what you've been given. Is what you have to do really worth all this to you? You're not alone. You've got this whole bag of bones to help you through, show you what to do. I'm rooting for your kid. Always will and always did. Hey kid, sit down. Let me tell you a story. Sit at my post, down in the snow. It's raining somewhere, I don't know. Look for humans, such a bore. But then one day I see the store. So I go to the store, practice knock jokes. Just some fun, nothing more, just jokes. Knock 'em dead, knock 'em out like my life's a joke. Then I hear her voice. Who's there? I reply, dishes who? Dishes a very, very bad knock joke. Then she howls, but she's heard in years. I keep going, she keeps laughing at my jokes. Then I hear her voice. Knock, knock, who's there? Old lady who I didn't know you could yodel. Telling jokes there for hours in the snow. Then I had to go. I came back the next day, the day after that. It's a thing like a story for my bro. Tell bad jokes through a door, laugh your fears away, 'cause it's raining somewhere. Then one day I told jokes, couldn't hear her laugh. I asked her what was wrong that day. I heard tears weeping coming through her door. Then I heard her voice. If a human ever comes through the door, would you promise me just one thing? Watch over, protect the one who comes through the door. Could you do this for me? I hate making promises and I don't know her name. So I sat and thought it was raining somewhere. That's a laugh. But someone who could laugh at an awful joke, you just can't say no, can't laugh it off. Thanks to her, two promises and awful jokes, here you stand today. Lighten up, I'll be there, I will keep you safe. Look at you, standing strong and a boy. Guess that's all, so take care of yourself, kiddo, 'cause someone cares. It's raining somewhere.
Whoa! You actually agreed to come hang out! This is gonna be great! Okay, stand behind me.
Hi, Papyrus. Ready for your extra private one-on-one training?
You bet I am! And I brought a friend!
Hi, I don't think we... Why don't you two come in?
Here, Undyne, my friend brought a gift for you, on their own.
Thanks. I'll, put it with the others. So, are we ready to start?
Whoopsie-doopsie, I just remembered. I have to go to the bathroom. You two have fun.
So, why are you here? To rub your victory in my face? To humiliate me even further? Is that it? Wait, you think we're gonna be friends? How delightful! Let's do it! Let's all frolic in the fields of friendship! Not! Why would I ever be friends with you? If you weren't my house guest, I'd beat you up right now! You're the enemy of everyone's hopes and dreams! I will never be your friend! Now get out of my house!
Dang! What a shame. I thought Undyne could be friends with you. But I guess I overestimated her. She's not up to the challenge.
Challenge? What? Papyrus! Wait a second! Dang it. He thinks I can't be friends with you? What a joke! I can make friends with a wimpy loser like you any day. I'll show him. Listen up, human. We're not just going to be friends. We're going to be besties. I'll make you like me so much, you won't be able to think of anyone else. It's the perfect revenge! Why don't you have a seat? Sit at the table, I'll get something to drink. I said sit down, this is my house, you little thing. Just point to what you want, I recommend tea. I'm in at a drink. Are you flirting with me? Here's your tea, little kid, careful, it's hot. Though you should still drink it, do you like it or not? It's the best friggin' tea you've ever tasted. Such flavor you can't comprehend. For my most precious friend. You know, it's kind of strange that you chose golden flower tea. That's Asgore's favorite kind. You remind me a little of him. You're both total weenies. You might not believe this, but I was a pretty hot-headed kid. Once, to prove I was the strongest, I tried to fight Asgore. Emphasis on tried. I couldn't land a hit on him, and he refused to fight back. I was so humiliated. Then, he apologized and said, "Excuse me, do you want to know how to beat me?" I said yes, and from then on, he trained me until I finally managed to knock him down. I felt bad, but he was beaming. I've never seen someone more proud to get their butt kicked, you know? Anyway, long story short, he kept training me, and now I'm head of the Royal Guard. Now I'm the one training dorks to fight, like, Papyrus. But to be honest, I don't know if I can ever let Papyrus into the Royal Guard. Don't tell him I said that. He's just too innocent and nice. I mean, look, he was supposed to capture you and ended up being friends with you. I couldn't send him into battle. He'd get ripped into little smiling shreds. That's part of why I started teaching him how to cook, you know? So he can do something else with his life. Sorry, I was talking so long. You're out of tea, aren't you? I'll get some more. Wait a second. Papyrus, his cooking lesson. He was supposed to have that right now. And if he's not going to have it, you'll have to have it for him. Nothing brings friends closer than cooking, which means that if I give you his lesson, afraid we're gonna be besties! Heroes start with the sauce, picture your enemy, pound veggies into paste, don't pet the enemy! Heroes do it like this, yeah, I'm on a roll! Don't worry about the mess, I'll put it in a bowl. Now put the noodles in, homemade's better than canned, but since I'm really cheap, I just buy the store brand. Put them into the pot, drop them like they're all crooks. You're going way too slow, hey, don't give me that look!
Hey, don't give me that look. Live by the hero book. Go on, right cook. Cool on all night.
Stir as hard as you can. We will make this pasta stand. You can go harder. It's a war we're going to win. Just let me stir then. With the power of my sin, though the pot gets smashed. This is how it learns fear. That's all prepared. We will turn up the heat, turn the stove to the max, and let your passion shine. The dial only goes right. We can't turn all this off. This is what it is like when you cook with Undyne. Come on, bestie, that's just not hot enough. Let your hopes and your dreams turn into burning fire. Follow your heart, don't hold anything back. The pasta is your enemy, light the funeral pyre. What the heck, human? You call that a fire? You don't hope and dream hard enough. Show me your ire. Let me show you the power of monsters and mire. Look out, bro, here comes Undyne, the world I'll inspire. Yeah! See, human? That's how you... Oh, the house is on fire. No wonder Papyrus sucks at cooking. So, what's next? Friendship bracelets? Scrapbooking? Ah, who am I kidding? I really screwed this up.